continuation of my fail videos. And do it right this time. I got my ticket for the long way round. 2 bottle whiskey for the win. And I'm sure what my time sweet home. And I'm leaving tomorrow, what do you say? When I'm gone. When I'm gone. You're gonna miss me when I'm gone. Gonna miss me by my hair. Gonna miss me everywhere. You're gonna miss me when I'm gone. I got my ticket for the long way round. The one with the prettiest of views. It's got mountains, it's got rivers, it's got sights to give you shivers. And I'm sure it'll be prettier with you. When I'm gone, when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me when I'm gone. Gonna miss me by my talk. Gonna miss me with my walk. You're gonna miss me when I'm gone. Done!
Oh wait, I wasn't recording. Wait. There's no timer. Is there no timer? I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Good job.
Okay, end the video.